Hi there and welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Dekan, aka Coco, and I pride myself in helping you level up your skincare game, your skincare journey, and taking your skin from this to that. So in today's video, we're going to be discussing top lotions for revitalizing, hydrating, and rejuvenating dry skin. Now, if you've got dry skin, you know that this is one of the toughest things to deal with in skincare. It is so hard finding products that caters to dry skin. It's just so difficult that no matter what you try, your skin just always dries up, always flakes, is always itchy. And now I'm going to plug you with products that would help you deal with that completely. These are lotions that I have personally used, tried, and tested, and that is why I'm sharing with you. The top of my list for this video would definitely be the Bioderma Atoderm Ultra Cream. Now, this is one lotion that I absolutely love, being that I myself struggles with dry skin on my body, especially in the colder months. It gets really crazy. And just when I was confused trying to figure out how to deal with that, this lotion came to my rescue. I had one day gone to the pharmacy and I complained to them. And you know that in some parts of the world, some of these, should I say Medigrade skincare are sold in the pharmacy. So I went there and I was just talking to the pharmacist about, my experience with my dry skin and all, and he recommended this. At first I was like, what does a man know about skincare? But I was like, okay, let me try it and see what this actually does. And boy, did this blow my mind. This lotion is absolutely great. If you know me in person, I've introduced you to this lotion at some point in your life. Everybody that knows me knows this lotion. That's how much I love it. Now, this lotion is enriched with moisturizing and anti-dehydration ingredients. It is also said that Atoderm cream holds the water on the upper layer of your skin to stop it from escaping, basically evaporating from your skin. For this lotion, this is one that locks in the moisture on your skin and gives you long hours of hydration, up to 48 hours of hydration from my experience. Absolutely great for dry skin, and if you're struggling with that, get your hand on this. Now, this might not be so budget friendly, being that it is an European product, but yeah, it actually does the job and is worth every penny. Now, moving to one of my favorite moisturizing lotion for dry skin, and this I had started using out as a teenager. Why I went over to use the Bioderma one was just because I couldn't find it abroad where I was living. I had been using this back home, and now this one is the Revlon Realistic Natural Honey Lotion. This lotion I love for so many reasons. First of all, I love the smell of the lotion. It just feels like a natural body. It feels like me when I put it on my skin. And also the moisture on this is crazy. This was the first deeply moisturizing lotion that I had gotten my hands on at an early age, right? All other lotions that I was using would usually be drying on my skin, usually be too harsh, or maybe, not just doing the job. Like, I would slather on lotion on my skin and a few hours later, I'm white, I'm grayish, I'm ashy, I'm itchy, and this actually came to my rescue. Now, like I said, the only reason why I tilted towards the Bioderma one was because I couldn't find this one abroad where I live. But this one is so moisturizing, absolutely amazing for dry skin. It also adds long hours of moisture and hydration on the skin. You would absolutely love it. And I love the smell, like I said. I'm biased towards this one, but this is one of my top favorite lotions. It reminds me of my earlier days in skincare. So yeah, this one is absolutely that girl. I'm reading on this lotion, and it's said to be a moisturizing lotion that gives instant relief to the skin. Yes, it does that. But it also said that it is designed for African skin. Now, I don't know what that means. I don't know why all skin types or all races cannot use this lotion, or why it is specifically designed for African skin. Maybe if you know, tell me. But yeah, it is said to be designed for African skin for whatever reason. Now, moving on to the next lotion, but I don't have it here with me, and that is the Roche-Posay, I think it's called Lipikar Milk. Now, I've also used that lotion. Comparable to the Bioderma one, it is highly moisturizing, gives you long hours of wear on your skin, would not leave you looking dry and ashy, and also would help to soothe irritated and itchy skin. Now, that one I absolutely love. It is so soft on the skin. It's a milk lotion, which makes it non-sticky on the skin, but for some reasons, and very surprisingly, it gives long hours of wear on the skin. I love that lotion. Just that it's a little bit on the pricey side. This one absolutely works for dry skin. If you're looking to rejuvenate your skin, rebalance your skin, and just revitalize your your skin, then that one is a great option as well. The La Roche-Posay Lipikar milk is a great option for moisturizing dry and flaky skin. Now takes me to my next favorite lotions for hydrating and reviving dry skin, and that is the EOS range. Right now, if you're a skincare girly, you must be familiar with this. Even though they are fragrance lotion or scented lotion, these are great options for dry skin. I have been using this for a while now, ever since I got introduced to it. These lotions are always like my go-to for hydrating but scented lotions, for a night that you just want to feel good and pampered and nice. This lotion is absolutely great. The two that I have stuck with is the strawberry dream flavor and also the vanilla cashmere flavor. Now they have a range of these. They have different ones. These are just my two personal favorite. Now this lotion is said to contain 7 nourishing oils plus butters and is a soothing protection for dry skin. Oh, it actually says here that it is for dry skin, hence why it works so well. Now usually dry skin is a little bit sensitive and does not want to deal with fragrance sometimes, but this one is a great option for fragrance lotion that actually works well for dry flaky skin. Now for my next recommendation, now this one is a little tricky to work with. You might need to pair it with something else to get greater results, or a longer lasting result on your skin, and that's the Vaseline Glutathione, I think it's called Glutathione serum lotion. Now there was a time that one was everywhere on the internet, very popular. I'm sure you know it. I'm gonna pop a picture on the screen so you see. It comes in 2, should I say flavors or colors, but I think it's actually colors. One comes in a golden brown tube and the other one comes in a pink tube, and both of them work equally the same. In my experience, there was really no difference between the two of them, but what I did do with that one is to pair it with a gel oil. Right, so if you also know the Vaseline gel oil or the other one that I have from Johnson's as well, I mean there's a couple of brands that carry gel oil, so you can go with your personal favorite, but I had to pair them together. Now the Vaseline lotion is actually a little bit lightweight. It's a serum lotion, which means that it has a light consistency, but then when you pair it with this gel cream, like after you use the serum lotion on your skin, then you use the gel oil on your skin, it locks in the moisture forever. The whole day you're going to stay hydrated, you're going to stay moisturized. I actually love the texture on that one. Now for the summer months where I don't want anything too sticky on my skin, that's what I go for my dry skin. So that works well in keeping your skin, the moisture stays locked in, like I said, forever if you use it with the gel oil. Next on my list will be a lotion from Medix. Now Medix has recently confused me with their range of products, and I usually don't know which one to go for. It's so overwhelming. I think they found a market in the lotion industry and they went completely ballistic on us, and now we are confused trying to pick out one product. But one that I would definitely recommend is the, I think, argan oil one. That one is deeply moisturizing. I haven't tried out the range, like I said, it's overwhelming on the shelf, but Medix 5.5, if you want to sponsor me and send me all of your range, of course I would love to try. But yeah, the one that I recommend for dry flaky skin is the argan oil one. That one is said to specifically be formulated for dry skin, and it also have long hours of moisture and hydration on the skin. Now apart from the turmeric and the retinol and this argan oil one, I haven't really tried out any other one from the range. So if you've tried it out and maybe you have an opinion about it, let me know in the comment section. There's too much body products to deal with when it comes to Medix 5.5, and it just gets me a little confused sometimes. But yeah, that's about it for my recommendation for body lotions that would help to keep dry skin hydrated and moisturized for longer and longer hours. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please make sure that you like and that you're subscribed to the channel. And if you're confused about anything, let me know in the comment section and I'll do well to help with your questions and your skin concerns. Yeah, as usual, I wish you a beautiful, perfect and luscious skin, and I will see you guys in my next one. Mwah.